To show you how to make a layered paper flower that we use as sukka decorations. This is a very Israeli thing to make. I start with choosing different color papers or different shape papers. So I've got plain blue, dotted blue, plain purple and dotted purple. I usually do more layers, but just if you get the hang of it, you can do as many layers as you like. I start off by taking a piece of paper, folding it over in a triangle to make a square, and then I'm going to cut it. I now have my 4 layers for this flower, and now I take each layer and I fold it 3 times. So this is 4 times. 2, 3, 4. And I go on and I do that with each one of my layers. 2, 3, 4. Now you can see that for my fold there's a triangle and a straight line. So I'm going to cut. I have lots of different types of scissors, so I'm going to take these scissors that are a bit curly, and I'm going to cut the top here in a straight line to make a nice shape. And once again I do it to all 4 pieces. And then I'll show you how we make the tang, which is the petals of the flower. So I don't open it. Now it's all folded. I've got an open side and a closed side. Starting with my biggest piece, I take my closed side just with a normal pair of scissors. You can also use shaped scissors. And I make a little tang on the side that's all closed. And I do that again with all 4 pieces. Just a little tang. So again, this is the open side. Make sure you do it from the closed side, and about 1 centimeter from the top, and I make my little tang. Now I take my 4 pieces, starting again from the largest. I open it up. I've got a nice shape here, and then I take my next size piece. I open that up and I put it on top, and now I thread the bottom layer through the next layer, like so, and I do it to all of them. Now I take my 3rd layer and once again I put it through all of them, like so. And now I've taken my last layer, and because each time this petal is smaller, then it might be hard to get your bottom layer, the blue, right through the purple, but don't worry about it, because you can just take the layer, 1 layer less, because when you put it on you can't actually tell that they're not all through. So I'm going around and I'm putting all my layers through the holes. Like that. And as you can see, I made a little mistake here, but we can fix it. My dotted pearl and my purple pearl are a little bit similar size, so I'm just going to cut a little piece off and then it's all good. Okay, so this is the finished flower with 4 layers. On camera I didn't have time, but this is one that I made that has 8 layers, and this is made with squares. And you can also, using a compass, draw circles and make a round one. And when you draw your different circles, just make sure that the radius of each circle is 2 centimeters less than the bigger circle. and the rest is really the same method of folding it 4 times and threading through the petals. Have a wonderful Sukkot. Enjoy the activity.